transform the customer journey remarkably. Automation takes care of repetitive tasks, allowing room for creativity. Imagine custom workflows designed specifically for your audience's unique behavior and needs. This personalization drives engagement. Segmentation is key. Divide your audience into targeted groups, ensuring relevant messages reach the right eyes. Personalization is powerful. Tailor your email content uniquely for each recipient to resonate with their preferences. Discover automation recipes that save you time and effort, optimizing your campaigns for successful outcomes. A/B testing enables you to experiment with different email variations. Optimizing performance has never been easier. Keeping track of campaign details is simple. With automation, important notes are always at your fingertips. Need to pause a campaign? You can put your automated workflow on hold and restart it when ready. Let your collaborators benefit from your hard work. Share your custom automation to streamline team efforts seamlessly. Moosend combines all the essential tools for email marketing success. Unlock your brand's true revenue potential today.